Yeah.
So let's get this party started. Let's just get it like this, cause it's gonna be hard to open. First we got this.
Oh,
let's put it like this.
and there's a blue one.
Yeah, there's a pink and blue one.
We're going to
Alright,
share.
this is what we got.
And we're going to share.
Okay, so now, which one you want to open first?
Blue one.
Okay.
No.
Let's save the best for last.
Okay.
Let's open with the bubble wrap.
Let's pop the bubble wrap.
You can save that for a different. I think I just opened it. Hold on. Ooh. But we're gonna share all of them.
Yeah.
Except for the butter squishy because you already have one. So now we're gonna both have a butter squishy. Oh, why is it so hard to open?
What? No, we can't. What? No. We have to stop looking at it.
Alright.
Now open.
Okay, guys, look.
It's kind of bent.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
We have ocean cube, apple, butter, strawberry, pearl cat claw,
You have
bread,
something like that.
cheese. This? Yeah. And cheese cube. Guys, y'all see the first thing?
What?
3, 2, 1. Oh, I want to open the butter first.
I'm gonna open it.
That's something to open. That?
Can I have this?
We're gonna share. Ooh.
Oh, I didn't want this.
Guys, look at the butter.
Can I? No, actually, I don't want this.
We're gonna open the share. Guys, look at my butter.
What? It don't look like a butter.
Some butters, is squishy. Some butters is fluorized. I want to open the bread.
Look. There's strawberries.
I'm gonna open the bread.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna open this one. But I forgot to smell it. Dang.
Guys, look at the
It
bread.
smells like a normal
It's
squishy.
fluorized. I want to feel it.
I want to feel the bread.
Okay.
And I got the ice cube.
This is cool. Let me feel.
Dang.
This feels
It
like
don't
a real
smell like-
Neato.
It smells like
Guys, this is so cool.
my butter squishy and seawater combined.
Oh, it kind of smells like your butter squishy. Let me smell this. It does not smell like your butter squishy.
Yeah, there's nothing combined. I cannot even open this.
I opened the cheese, guys. Look.
Here you go.
This is so cool.
My favorite.
We have two nuts. The apple! How did I not open the apple first? I forgot all about the apple.
Family. You want this? You can.
3, 2, 1. This is filled with coconut oil.
For real?
I've been seeing the apple everywhere. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is cool.
Dang.
I like this. You should have one of the needles and I have other needle. Which one you want?
The cheese.
No, one of the needles. Wait, I want this one.
Yeah, you can have that one. This one.
Okay. This is cool. And it has these charms in it.
Yeah, and the last one I cannot open.
Let me open them. Let's open them. Okay. Guys,
This is. I believe
is this
cheese
be
one is the
sticky?
best.
I think the butter. Well, no, I think the apple one is the
Wait,
best.
let me feel the apple. I never got to feel the apple. Yeah, the apple one is the best.
Guys, it's a sticky one. I
It
don't
got
want to
the
take it.
best shape.
I don't want to take it out because it looks so pretty. Should I take it out?
Yes.
Okay, I'll take it out.
Apple one is the best, actually. The cheese comes second place. This comes third place. I want the apple squishy.
The apple is the best, and then the butter comes second place, and then the needle
Actually,
comes third place.
You can have this one. Which one?
Yeah. We're going to share the rest.
Yeah. You're gonna share it. Oh, dang.
Guys, I'm losing pearls. Oh, they keep on falling off.
And the camera.
Guys, this is so pretty.
Look.
That's cool.
It even
Okay, now I'll put it back in the bag.
I never failed.
Oh yeah, you forgot. You forgot the field. So guys, we're gonna put them all back in the box.
Yeah.
I don't think we need to put them in the bag because we already unboxed them.
Yeah.
So now it's time to unbox them. Whatever it is.
Now time.
Okay, so now we're gonna be rating our squishies. So first we're gonna do this. I give this like a 9.9. It would be the best squishy ever. Not best squishy ever, but this would be a good squishy if it could like if it had not had that much air. So yeah, what do you rate it?
I rated a 7.5.
Okay.
It's like too much air. I don't like it when it's fast rise. It's fast rise.
Slow rise. I think it's fast rise.
Slow rise.
Okay.
And
now let's rate the tablet squishy. It's very sticky, but it's cute. I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
okay.
Y'all see?
The butter squishy is
Okay, hold on.
And
Your
I
turn.
rate this 8.5 because it's too much glitter stuff
For real, I'm gonna watch this when I get
and
maybe someday. But I like the glitter inside of it.
and it's pink. I thought it was gonna come blue.
I thought it was gonna come blue too.
It scared us.
No, it didn't. It just gave us a different color. Now the bread was really good. I give it a 9 because like ASMR, like hear this.
Dang.
If y'all hear it, it's really good. So now I'm gonna give it to my brother, and he's
I
gonna rate
rated
it.
a 7 because first of all, it don't smell good. Second of all, it smells like crap.
Ooh. Okay. Now we're gonna do the apple filled with coconut oil. So I always wanted to see the coconut oil apples and stuff. Just the coconut oil squishies at this point because yeah. So anyways, I give this a 10 out of 10 because I love it so much.
First of all, it's like the best squishy I ever felt, and I give it a 10 out of 10.
Okay.
And it's the best.
Now let's go on to these two squishies because they're like the same texture here. So first I give this squishy a solid 8 out of 10 because it's like, I love needles, but it's just like another needle. So I give it an 8 out of 10. What do you think?
For that one?
They both feel the same.
Okay, so for this one, I give it a 10 out of 10.
Okay, clock it.
Because it's good winter vibes, and but I like the summer more than the winter though.
Okay. This is giving summer vibes, so I like this one. And it has some pink shells and purple seed thingies and purple shells. So let's put it back in the box. Did we do the cheese yet?
No,
I don't think so. Yeah, I know that one. Okay, so the cheese, it has a lot of air that I have to get out. So for that, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. But if it didn't have that much air, it would have got a 9. Okay, so this is an 8, okay? My brother's turn.
I give it a 9 out of 10. The reason why it wasn't a 10 out of 10 because there's too much air and and that's it.
Okay. Now we're gonna be doing the strawberry squishy, and it also gets an 8 because too much air. What do you think?
7 because too much air too.
Okay. And it was smaller than I was expecting.
Yeah.
So now this is my favorite squishy from the box.
And this was my favorite squishy from the box.
So can clock it.
And because it's not detailed. It's just a strawberry.